What is up, everybody? Lewis here with Inner Sun Yoga. This is a slow flow yoga for relaxation, stress relief, releasing anxiety, for stretching our muscles out, recovering from a fitness routine, or just a long, hard day at work. If you end up by liking this video, this practice, please share it around, subscribe to our channel, and like the video. It helps us a ton. It helps us reach a wider audience, and that's just, the world totally needs more yoga and fitness right now. So let's get right into it. Let's just start here. An easy pose. Get comfortable on the mat. Deep, long inhales, filling our lungs. Deep, long exhale, emptying our lungs. Feel your sit bones on the mat. Let's do a couple deep reaching stretches with our hands as we breathe, and right back down. A couple more, and back down. Really stretch your shoulders up and press high, and right back down. Stretch our neck to the right. Targets our vagus nerve. Hold it here. And stretch it to the left. 5 to 10 seconds. Following our breathing. Let's do one more on each side. Right side. 5 to 10 seconds. And left side. Alright, let's go ahead and get on all fours here. Hands directly under our shoulders. We're going to start with some cat-cows. Inhale, chest up. Arch the back. Cow pose, exhale. Round the spine, tuck in your tailbone, cat pose. Alternate. Cow, deep inhale. Exhale, cat. Very good. I'm going to have us do, in between each cat-cow, just a lateral raise with our knee to open up our hips on each side. Good, good. Cat, cow, lateral raise on each side. Great job. Inhale and exhale. Deep, long breaths. Remember, inhale up, cat. Exhale, down, cow. Left leg, laterally raise it. Right leg. Good, good. One more. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Lateral raise with the knee. Feel it in the hips. Feel it in the glute. Very good. From here, let's go into our reverse down dog. Lengthen through the spine. Press through your palms. Press your heels to the mat. You can bend your knees here a little bit if that's more comfortable for you. The goal is a straight back. So do what you need to do to achieve that straight back. Long inhales. Draw your navel to your spine. Squeeze your abdominals. A little longer on the hold. Good. From here, we're going to step our right foot forward. Reach your hands up towards the sky. Warrior one. Don't let your front knee dip too far forward. If that's the case, then widen up your stance. You want a nice angle there, about 90 degrees, where your shin and your quad meet. Hold it for a second. Deep breaths, step forward, chair pose. Holding it for just about 10 seconds here. Sit into your heels. Bring your belly into your spine. A second longer. And we're going to do a forward fold here. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold back. Great work. From here, place your hands on the mat. Take a step back into plank pose. And belly down, pelvis down, cobra. Press here, nice and tall. Option to go to Sphinx here, forearms on the ground. If your spine is not quite feeling cobra today, that's totally cool. Inhale. Exhale. In this position, let's take care of our neck a little bit. Let's do those alternating vagus nerve stretches. Again, about 5 seconds in each direction. Long inhales, long exhales. Alternate. Alternate. Very good. One more on each side. And left side here. Great job, folks. Back to neutral tabletop position here. Get ready. We're going to our next downward dog. Good, good, good. Heels to the mat. If you can. If you need to bend the knees, that's fine. Hold it, hold it. Really lengthen through your shoulders. Extend them. Press through your palms. Deep breaths here, in and out. A couple more seconds here, and we are going to, on the exhale, step our left foot forward. Here we go. Left foot forward. Hands up in the air. Warrior one. Reach, reach, reach. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Feels good, I know. You can go a little lower now with the lunge. Look for that nice angle. Just for a little bit of a strength test here. And straighten out your leg again. And step into chair pose. This time, hands at the heart center, or up, if you like. Hold it here. Remember your strength through these hard times. Deep breaths, and extend. Reach your arms up. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold, bending at the hips. Now, hands down here. Step back into plank position. Hold it just for a second. From here, bring your right knee forward, bend it. Pigeon. You can lean forward into the front glute and hamstring if you like, or if maybe bringing your chest up feels better today. Go for it. Listen to your body. Deep, long breaths here. Release all the tension. Release all the stress of the day and the week. Focusing back on our breathing, doing our self-care today. Very good. Back to neutral tabletop position. Let's do some bird dogs. Right arm forward, left leg back. Point through your toe to activate your glutes and calves. Hold it for 3 seconds. Exhale, back down. Inhale, left arm forward, right leg back. Hold it for a second. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Right back down. 2 more on each side. Right arm, activate your abdominals, squeeze your pelvis. Deep, long breaths. Release the tension, other side. Exhale, switch. Point through the toe, exhale. This is our last side for the bird dogs. Good job, folks. Reach, reach, reach. Right back down. Let's open up our knees here. Bottom to our heels. Child's pose. Stretch out the shoulders. Feel your low back stretch out. Deep breaths. Find your stillness here. Find your breath. If you have any thoughts or worries, that's okay. Just observe them like a little leaf floating down the stream. A few more breaths here. On an exhale, back to neutral tabletop position. Bring your left knee forward, right leg straight back. You guessed it, pigeon on our other side. Really feel it in your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads. Lean forward if that feels better for you today. Finding our breath once again, noticing the tension release. Good job, folks. And let's go ahead and get in a seated position, legs crossed, half lotus, lotus, whatever's comfortable for you. Don't do anything forceful out of your comfort zone. The goal of this yoga is to chill a little bit more. So even connecting to our breath can be out of our comfort zone sometimes. Left hand down on the ground, reach your right arm overhead. Really stretch through that shoulder. Feel it in your hip, your right hip here. Feel it stretch. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Point through those fingers. Yes, activate those nerves. Switch sides here, folks. Right arm on the ground. Left hand reaching overhead. Stretch through that shoulder. Feel it in your left hip. Fill your lungs with appreciation for yourself for doing some self-care today. Reach to those fingertips. Activate those nerves. Great job. Exhale. Both hands up in the air. Reach, reach, reach. Feel like you're pushing the sun up. Activate your chest muscles even. I'm filling my lungs with gratitude right here. Exhale the stress. And sweep with your hands down. Freshen up your energy. Let's do another sweep up. In with the inspiration, in with the gratitude, in with the empowerment. I can do this. Yes. Exhale, out with the stress, out with the nerves. clearing up our field of energy. Squeeze your pelvis as you breathe. A nice root lock. Last inhale. Filling my lungs with oxygen, appreciation, energy, and empowerment. Exhale. Sweep your body down. Out with the stress. Out with the static. Out with the noise of the week. Hands to heart center. From here, we're laying on our back carefully, bringing knees to chest. Squeeze them, hug them tight. Feel it in your lower back and your middle back. And rock to the left and right if that feels comfortable for you today. Great work, people. Feel your erector spinae muscles being worked. Oh. Sitting back down here, cross-legged position, half lotus, lotus, whatever's comfortable for you. Hands at your heart center. Connecting with that breath of life. I am in my power. Repeat after me if you like. I am in my true power. I am free of all things I cannot control. Inhale, long breaths. Squeeze your pelvis and abdominal muscles while you breathe. Exhale. I am in my true power. I release everything I cannot control. I allow myself to come back to my breathing. Thank you all for practicing with us today. It's been a pleasure. If you enjoyed this video again, please give it a like, give it a subscribe. It helps us a ton. We really are trying to reach the YouTube community and global community. Thank you so much for being with us here. Thank yourself for taking care of your body, mind, and soul. Namaste.